How to fix Victoria 3 crashing on Windows PC. 1. Quit then restart Steam. 2. Repair your Victoria 3 game via the launcher installer Windows, MSI, application. Run that MSI app to remove your game if the crashing issue persists. 3. Launch the game using Victoria3.exe in the install directory. 4. Uninstall Paradox Launcher v2 and relaunch the Victoria 3. 5. Install the latest version of Paradox Launcher. Go to https://www.paradoxinteractive.com/r-game/launcher. 6. Backup then renamed gelt.dll. File at c:\windows\syswow64. 7. Install the latest C++ files and .NET Framework. 8. Backup then remove the save game subfolder in Documents. Refer to the IMG below. 9. Allow Victoria3.exe through both Windows Firewall and Antivirus. 10. Run Victoria3.exe as administrator. 11. Perform a clean installation of GPU drivers, remove current GPU drivers, reboot your PC and reinstall them using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 12. Close all overlay apps and perform a clean boot on your Windows PC. Note, you may need to stop using some reported software like MSI Dragon Center, Corsair Software, Razer, etc. 13. Verify game files in Steam. 14. Let Victoria3.exe use your dedicated GPU. Like this. 15. Install Media Feature Pack. 16. Run Victoria 3 in windowed mode and lower graphics settings, accordingly. And upgrade your hardware if possible. (17) Disconnect multiple monitors and unplug external devices. 18. Upgrade to Windows 10 11s. 19. Uninstall and reinstall the game to a different HDD, SSD, is kindly recommended.